In today's video we talk about callout, how to use callout, how to create callout. I have this plan and I want to create callout of this particular area or particular object. So for that we have to go in view tab. You will see callout here. You can select this rectangular also, or you can sketch it. Let's see first this rectangular. So click on this rectangle. Suppose you want to create a callout of this window only. You want to create a callout of this window. Click here and second click here. You will see callout here. Automatically it will create here callout in full floor plan. Okay. Then you just click here, double click here. You will see the callout of particular region which you want to give detail or edit it. You can edit boundary also. You can as per your requirement. Okay. Suppose you want to give detail of this object, you can give detail also. Feet. In this way you can provide details also. Suppose we want the detail callout of this area, so go in view tab, select callout rectangle, first click here and second click here. You will see ground floor FLG callout 2. Click here, double click here, it will come. Then you can adjust this boundary. If you want to increase, you can increase. You can adjust this boundary. Suppose I want only the stair. This way you can adjust your callout. You can give detail, provide detail as per your requirement. Okay. Let's go and see how to do sketch callout. In view tab, sketch. You will see all this type of through which you can sketch it. So we take line. Suppose we want to sketch only this furniture. Okay, so click here, okay. You will see callout 3. Now double click here. Now double click here. You will see the furniture. You can adjust this. In this way you can create your callout as per your requirement of any area or any object. Okay, thank you.